How to manage augmented reality on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage augmented reality on Google Chrome mobile. First thing you're going to do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here in the top corner, and now you will see settings. Click on it and then go down until you find this one, site settings, and then you will find this one here, augmented reality. Click on it and you can manage it on anything you want, turn it off or turn it on, and it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.